All right, now we're going to be looking at links. And one way we can do this to make sure there aren't any broken links, can actually check out the broken link checker tool, which I've never just learned about today. So what we do here is from the home page, we put in the website URL. Gotta type in, this funky information. It's checking, seeing if anything's wrong. It's looking good. Might take a bit. While it's scanning, because it does look like it's going to take a while, it just checks to make sure it's all good. Might be easier if I check single web page. Yeah, we'll come back to that. Also, are there important commands such as the word buy are displayed as buttons, not links? I would say so. Now that we have the pricing right here, it takes us on the same platforms, not taking us to a third party. Usually, if it's presented as a link, that would presumably take us to a third party platform, which ends up being more work for the user. So it's definitely more user friendly if we have it directly have the capability to buy on that website we're utilizing. Are the links descriptive rather than saying click here? I mean, yeah. Like this doesn't say click here. It says buy plus, contact us, start free trial. So you know exactly what's going to happen when you click these buttons. Here, you're not paying a penny. Here, you're gonna gotta put that credit card information in there. So it's pretty. They did a good job on that. Are links placed in moving features? I would say no, which is pretty good. You definitely don't want your link to be bouncing around the screen. You want it to stay static, keep it in the same spot, because you definitely don't want that one to scooch around on the screen. And for those, links are pretty, pretty formal, so they definitely shouldn't be bouncing around anywhere. They're a very legitimate thing that you want to make them look professional. Do the links look the same across the site? Easily recognizable? I'd say so. They all tend to be a white box outlined in pink with pink wording. The font's all the same. They all have that drop shadow when you scroll or when you place your mouse on top. Here, we'll check out some ones over here as well. Okay, that one doesn't have any, but we can check out use cases. There we go. So these ones have a few buttons, but it's not really just like one certain part that you press. You can press anywhere on the screen, it'll take you there. But they do all, as you can see, have the white with the pink outline and in the same font, which is awesome. Okay, we're going to go back to pricing. Do these change color once you click on them? Yeah, it lets you know that your mouse is at least hovering over it. There's a little differentiation between the colors.